page 3. This will be recording part 1. So, exercise 1, classify each sentence. Okay, so our first sentence, the 3 pretty little birds jumped playfully. What jumped playfully? Bird. Subject, noun. What is being said about the birds? Bird jumped how? Adverb, right? Because it's saying how. How many birds?
3.
Little adjective. What kind of bird? Pretty adjective. Remember, you guys work your way out from it if there's more than one, okay? So how many?
3.
Okay, the pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, 1, check. Okay, no prepositional phrases, right? Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's the natural or inverted order. Natural. Okay. Next sentence, the 2 angry lions roared angrily. So what roared angrily? Subject, noun. What is being said about the lions? Roared how? What kind of lions? How many lions? The pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, 1, check. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's the natural or inverted order. The big ugly mosquito flew quickly away. What flew quickly away? What is being said about the mosquito? Flew how? Flew where? Adverb. Right? Okay. Then what kind of mosquito? Ugly. Adjective. What kind of mosquito? The pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, 1, check. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, this is in the natural or inverted order. The big hound dog walked softly. What walked softly? Dog, right? Subject, noun. What is being said about the dog? Walked how? What kind of dog? Hound. What kind of dog? The pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, 1, check. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Is this in the natural or inverted order? Natural. Number 5, you are going to do for homework. There, just a heads up, there will be 2 adverbs in it. Okay? All right.